Hey everybody, it is Sandy, and I'm coming to you with a haul, and this is a special haul. This haul is a side business that I'm doing, and I just thought I would come on and let you know that I'm actually doing a couple of side businesses, and for the next few weeks I'm probably going to share those with you so you can just get a look at, what I do. I just saw a moth fly back there, and there it goes. Oh boy, every time we open a door. Thankfully, they're not mosquitoes, but we're getting moths. So to start with, I'm going to do my recent one here. And I guess I want to start off by saying first, though, I named my channel the Beautiful You channel because I wanted it to be all about things that we do to make us happy and feel beautiful from the inside out. Really has nothing to do with your looks or anything like that. However, sometimes I know we do things to help our looks a little bit, and that's what one of these is right now. This one I'm going to show you right now. It's called Color Street, and it's for your nails. And I'll have upcoming videos. I'll be posting things on Pinterest. Or not Pinterest, but Instagram. And I also have a VIP page for the Color Street if you want to learn more information. So I will link a couple of things below for you, and you can go check those out if you want to learn more. And I will just be doing some more videos on some of the stuff that I'm doing other than my full-time job as a preschool teacher. And during the summer I work full-time too. I work as in the daycare area. So to start with, it comes with a whole bunch of goodies right here. And what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the camera around so that you can get a better look at some of the colors and things that it comes in. All right, so okay everyone, second shot at filming this. I think I might have swallowed that moth. Ooh, I had a coughing fit. But this is the first part we'll go through, which is pretty much the meat and potatoes, the thing everybody wants to see. It comes with one of these nail file / buffers, and it's cute because it says right on there what to do: file, buff, polish, and shine. So I got 2 of those. I got 2 of these Color Street nail files, and they're super hard to open. So I actually had to like go into the corner here. Let's see if it'll do it again for me. Pry it. It's like not really the thing you want to be fussing with when you've got your nails done up nice. But it's a really big nail file. It's nice, heavy duty. 2 of those, and then one of the things that you can do is you can get these, they're called Twosies, and they're basically samples. And when you request a sample, you can get one, and then you can try them on, because these are it's actually nail polish. These aren't stickers, and you don't need heat or anything like that, or decals. I don't know how you want to explain it, but so it's actual nail polish. It's got the base coat, it's got the polish, and then it's got a top coat on it. So when you put these on, they don't smudge on you, which is what I like because I smudge every single time I do my nails. So these are just kind of fun, and it would take me forever to do some of these decorations. So this one here is called, I don't even know if I'm going to go through all the names with you. At the Plaza, this one's called. Oh no, that's not At the Plaza. Different one. Singapore. So as you can see, it's kind of sparkly. And then this one's the At the Plaza, and it's a shimmer and a pink. And then we have, my sister-in-law was over. That's why these are a little messed up. I did let her have one. This one is Corally Invited, I know, because this is the first one I ordered from my friend who was having a party. And I just love that coral. I think that's a really in color. I think that's on the big color list. So there's the 3, I think. Yep. And then this is a real pretty gold with just a little bit of shimmer to it. And then here is a beautiful glitter with kind of pink and purple ombre. Just really nice. So those are the samples that I got. And I'm pretty pleased with those. I think they're very, very, very pretty. So if you want one of these, I'll have the link below for you to request one of these samples, and I would be more than happy to send one out to you. Or if you want a catalog too, you can message me on that as well. So here we go with some of the nails. All right, so this is what they look like. They are in a package like this, and on the back it gives you the instructions right up here, and they peel off here, or you can open here. It's up to you how you want to do it. But there's actually these strips, and there's 2 of them in there, so it's plenty to do your nails. I have pretty short, stubby nails, so I was able, one of these strips, because they go kind of far down, I was able to use the same one, like this big one here, I used on my big toe. And I was able to do both big toes with it. This one I was able to use for my thumb, and then all the other ones I was able to work. They do have pedicures now, but they didn't used to. But what I did for my toes was I took the ones that didn't match for my fingers, and I just took a scissors before I peeled stuff off, and I cut them down to the right shape that I needed. So that's an option too. So that's that. So this one is called Flora Good Time. I'll just put them to the side. This one's beautiful. Can you see that? Just love it. And that is Bordeaux Glitz. A beautiful blue. Northern Wonder. Here's that Corally Invited again. These are, I should have saved this or done this right at the beginning, but it's okay. These are a French manicure, and this is a glittery one. So what it is you would take it this way, and it would go on just, you know, the tip of your nail, and then there's actually a top coat then too that you would lay over the top. So this one is called Tokyo Twinkle. So that's kind of a fancier type. And I should say too, while I'm thinking of this, these type of nails, your normal nails, are buy 3, get 1 free. And the manicures are buy 1, get 1 free. This is a beautiful, this is just like a plain polish. And that is Hotlanta. All right, all my mermaid fans, ooh, look at that. Isn't that cute? And they do have this one in a pedicure as well, and I think there's a different color in it. So this is called Atlantis. This is one of the samples that you'd be able to get, this one right here. And that is the Nuclear Fusion. This one's real pretty. I think this is one of the samples as well at the plaza. Yep, so this is, I could send you a sample of that one. And this one is called Tokyo Lights. That one is very pretty. It's kind of like gold and pink and purple. It's beautiful. And that is it for the nails that I got. Everything else in there was just kind of, you know, paperwork and stuff like that. What else we got here? The Road to Success book. We've got our order forms. We got nail polish remover pads. I think I got 2 of those. And that's the other beauty of these, is just nail polish to get it off. That's all you need is nail polish. Yep. And then these are the nail prep pads, they call them, and that's just, you've seen those before, the prep pads. And that's just to get all the dirt and stuff. And some people do it on their fingertips too, since you're touching the sticky part. And then you get some cuticle sticks on there as well. And these also help to push them down like into your, on the side there if you want. So they can kind of help with the application as well. And then I got 2 packs of the little nail files. So if you request a sample, I will not be sending these in the mail. I don't want these to poke through, but I will send you a complimentary nail file to help you. Oh, that's with the samples. That reminds me too, when you order these, it comes with, I can't remember if it was 1 or 2 that I had in there. I can't remember. It might have been 2 nail prep pads it had in there already, and it had a nail file. And the nail files were cuter than this. They're a little thicker and they got a pattern. It was just, basically you have everything you need here for getting those nails on. So it's really awesome. All right, so there's those. And then we've got some catalogs as well. And again, I can send you one of these out, but you open it up, and I just love how they have, the nails are all like glossy, even on the front picture. It's just kind of neat. So here's, at a glance, prices for you. And that's that. And then there's the French manicure. So keep in mind, it's $14, but it's buy one, get one free. So basically they're $7 for those. So that's a sweet deal. And then last but not least, there was a nice black bag for carrying stuff in. So that's that. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for sticking with me and watching this. Ooh, sorry about that. And I hope you will want some samples or want to learn more, or at least join my Facebook group, and I can add you to that. So have a great day.